So today start the class 5 multimedia 12th computer application first unit continue. Today start the file formats for multimedia. The following is on the outline of current file format used for the production and delivery of multimedia data. The test format, RDF. RDF means rich test format. Rich test format is the primary file format introduced in 1987 by Microsoft. 1987 by Microsoft, with the specification of the published products and for cross-platform document interchange. So 1987 Microsoft used this RDF. What for method? Using cross platform document. Plain text. A plain text files can be opened, read and edit with most text editors. Commonly used are Notepad, Windows, Gedit or Nano, Unix and Linux, TextEdit. Other computer programs also capable of reading and importing plain text. Reading and importing plain text using this method. Then another is using the Notepad, Windows, the Unix and Linux, text editors, Mac OS. This all process using plain text. The plain text is the original and popular way of conveying email. Understood? Then image format. The diff means docked image file format. Docked image file format is very important. Docked image file format. This format is common in disk publishing Word. Commonly in disk publishing Word. High quality output and is supported by the almost all software packages. Recent version diff allows the image compression and format compatible moving large files between the computers. The bitmap, BMP means bitmap. Initially, this format is in use with the Windows 3.1 and use this 3.1. So, quite large and uncomposed and hence BMP is used for the high resolution and large image. Okay. Then DIB means device. DIB means device independence bitmap. This format, which is similar to BMP, allows file is to be displayed on variety of devices. Then GIF graphic interchange format. GIF is a compressed image format. Most of the computer color, image and background are GIF files. This file format best suitable for graphics that uses only limited colors. So only GIF is only using the limited colors. Okay, and it is the most popular format used for the online color photos. 13-bit colors look online colors photos, then 13 bits colors importance. Okay, and 13 bits colors lookup table it used by the GIF format is identify the color values. This format is supported widely. JPG means Joint Photograph Expert Group. JPG was designed to attain the maximum image compression. It used the lossy compression technique used, so, where a compression method is refers the loss sum of the data required for the image recognition. It works good with the photographs, naturalizations, artwork, and similar material, but functions less on lettering, live drawing, on simple cartoons. DACRA, it is the first popular format. The high resolution image TGA is supported by the most of the video captures border. This is the first popular format of the high resolution image. The DGA is the support by the most of the video capture borders.